Yo, what's up YouTube? So it's Memphis. I'm back with another YouTube video. So I actually just got my truck back from the mechanic shop. The radiator blew up. Kaylee will insert the video here of us on the rollback. Then so tomorrow we're actually going to get the lift kit. I got it back just in time so we can still meet our appointment with the lift that no one knew was coming, but I told them that it was coming, but I guess it's unbelievable. So the lift's gonna be installed tomorrow. You're gonna have the whole video, you know, and then wheels and tires will be shortly after that. But yeah, so I'm fixing to show y'all what the new radiator looks like. It cost quite a bit, but hopefully it can hold some more power or whatever. I don't know how the hell I blew up the radiator. I really don't. I've floored this thing plenty of times, no problems. Like, you know, like when you just like, you have an exhaust, so you want to give it a little throttle so you can hear it. I didn't even do that, bro, and the bitch just went boom. You feel me? There was a hole about this, it was more like a line, bro, kind of like the size of the garage door opener in the radiator. And I think it was old because my friend has a radiator. He has a hole in the same port, but he just puts coolant in it and just says YOLO every time. So there's that. But yeah, I guess we'll see the new radio. I saw yellow through it, so that's gonna have to get powder coated because yellow don't fly. This is not a banana truck, all right? So yeah, let me show y'all what it looks like.
He's coming. We want to get your reaction.
Uh-oh.
We did something.
Oh, about it being lifted.
It's done, boys. Yes, sir.
Can he drive it?
Yeah. It actually drives better.
So it actually works better.
Mm-hmm.
Looks good. It really looks good with the purple on it.
Yeah.
For some kind of bias with that color. Looks good.
You want to try to climb in it?
Nope.
Yeah, try it. Give it a try.
Nope. Do you have to boost her?
No, she can get in it. That's why I'm confident you can get in it. Give it a shot. You gotta use her side though. Her side has a handle, mine doesn't. I can just hop right in there without a problem.
Yeah, you should be able to.
But look, it doesn't bounce anymore. It rides so much better. That's huge.
I can't get in it.
Bruh, did you break my hand?
Nope.
You didn't pull hard enough.
No, I'm sorry. I have that. So.
Here, one second. Let me get.
There is no handle in here.
Yeah, at the top.
Oh,
At the top in the,
holy shit.
Come on.
Yep, I can get in here.
See, like it's really easy for me.
I like your bag.
thank you.
Right up in it.
I always use that one. It's my favorite one.
Poor
Just fits
Kaylee.
everything.
I told you I'd do it. Now I just need some tires. That's it.
I'm glad you like it.
Yep. All this stuff underneath looks so cool now. All new parts. Had a smile on my face from the second I picked it. Kaylee, her own words bit her back. We were getting out of her dad's, and he was like, she's like, that's not even that tall. And her dad's like, oh, wait till you try to get in it.
It was because it was next to like another lifted truck that was higher than it, so it made this one look like a baby to it. So I was like, oh, it's fine. It doesn't look that bad. And then
Yeah, and how do you struggle getting up in here?
I just like lift myself up.
She struggles.
He can get you a step.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting the powered steps. I already knew
Because
that.
those Nerf steps that I have are good. I mean, they work. And I don't have any problems with them.
No, I'm gonna get the powered ones. The whole idea is the less you have hanging off the side, the taller it looks.
Jesus.
And
Now I gotta fall out.
I did. Oh, that was easy for you. I literally, I hopped out and like I hit the ground too hard and I was like going forwards. I was like, oh.
I gotta get camera enough to show him real quick.
Good luck with that, because he was an asshole to me earlier. Oh, sorry.
Alright guys, so it's done. That's the lift kit. That's how it looks. We got all the good stuff in here. I'm fixing to work on some upper control arms. And there's the cross member. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's hard to see because I don't have big tires on yet. But everything looks good. Everything's working as intended. Been driving on it for about 2 days. It runs a lot better. It drives a lot better than it used to. And so yeah, I'm fixing to take some Instagram pictures and then yeah, we'll get it skedackling. But yeah, it's way bigger now. This is gonna be the lift review. This is gonna be at the end of the video because the video was only like 5 minutes long. I lost all the footage. I don't know if it's on Kaylee's phone, if it's on the GoPro, if it's on the camera. I don't know where the footage is, so it's just gone.
We have so many devices, it's hard to like keep all these videos that y'all are seeing right now are Memphis editing
90% of it, and then
yeah, and then I just come over and I just kind of like fix some things and add some things. But I feel like this is gonna be really good for our channel because we're putting both of our ideas into one video to make it a great video. So I hope y'all didn't give up on us. I know we like stopped posting for the longest time and been dealing with some shit, but we're back. I promise this time we're back. I feel like we've said we're back for like the last
as
5
long
videos.
as I keep possession of the MacBook, we're back. I promise. Because I got like 3 videos I'm recording tomorrow. Y'all got like 2 months worth of videos that I've already got recorded and ready to go.
Yeah. So.
I cranked out 3 videos today, so like it's light work. I just come out here, turn on the camera, be my goofy self, and then crank out a YouTube video. It's so simple.
Yeah.
And so, all right, so back to what we were talking about, the lift. So I got the 6-inch rough country lift kit with the upgraded shocks, right?
Yeah.
So that came out to right around $3,000.
Yeah.
With it installed and everything, because I didn't want to do it in my driveway because my boy was in Arizona. So yeah, I didn't want to do it by myself. So that's done. I got the 6-inch rough country lift with the upgraded shocks. Now, my personal opinion, and Kaylee's gonna give her 2 cents. That's why I brought her with me. All right, the ride quality is, some would say, substantially better. Like when I say substantially better, I mean like it's like riding in a Cadillac now. I don't know why people bash rough country. I mean, granted, this is the first lifted truck I've ever had, so I mean, I don't really know. But if this is what a shitty lift feels like, which is what everyone says, it's not. It rides so good. Like, I mean, yes, you have bumps. You still feel bumps in a lift kit. It doesn't matter. But it's not a bump anymore. It's articulation where you're just moving up and down.
So
it's not
better.
like a fucking boom and then you go up. It's more articulation.
The ceiling.
So
Anyways.
basically, the lift, it was worth it. Every penny.
Yeah, it was definitely
has been worth it.
And with all these like situations happening where, you know, people don't want to pay attention and, you know, hit
Oh yeah, my
the
truck would have been fucked on so many
Yeah.
occasions.
Like with the lift, I feel like it saved the truck from being totaled multiple times. But yeah, people don't know how to drive in Texas. Y'all don't come here. What do you give the lift out of 10?
Probably like a 9 out of 10.
Why a 9 out of 10?
Because I think there's like some things that could be better. Like I would like to have upper control arms and tie rods with my lift. More upper control arms and lower control arms more than anything. All right, so basically, this is the upper control arm that did not get changed out. Y'all saw all this in the daylight. I don't need to really tell y'all any of this. But yeah, this is all the new stuff. This is new. I know this is. That's gonna be the block. And then I don't know. Hell no, you can't see them from here. That's gonna be the fuck, bro. I'm so tired. I can't think of the name.
The upper control arms?
Bro, this is the upper control arm.
No. What's the other word you said?
Oh, it's a cross member. That's the cross
I
member.
don't. Okay.
All right, but if you come back here, you can see the upgraded shot.
Ow!
What'd you do?
I tripped over the fucking brick.
Bruh. So here's the shocks.
Okay.
You got your phone?
No, I don't.
Yeah, so these are the shocks. These are the upgraded shocks right there.
Yeah.
They're pretty nice. Y'all see the
nice.
bounce test in the video, so.
That look like a
The video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and share it, even if it's just to one friend.
It helps
Peace.
us out. All right, bye.
Fearless.